Uber just made a massive new update to its app. You do not want to miss this update. Please thumbs up the video for the latest and greatest news about all things rideshare, Uber, Lyft, food delivery service. We're the number 11, number one place for rideshare drivers to learn how to make more money. We're talking about updates, gig economy. Speaking of which, if you want to sign up for a new car insurance company that's specifically, exclusively for gig workers, we have a link below to buckle up. They will buckle you up with car insurance, and they're going to give you 20 bucks when you sign up for a pre-quote, as little as 5 minutes. So 20 bucks in 5 minutes, hey, not bad. You know, they're trying to get new drivers. Okay, give them a shot, why not? All right, listen to this. Uber Eats launches new nationwide shipping service. Uber Eats has launched a new nationwide US shipping service that lets you order products from several cities, widely expanding your range of dining choices. So now if you want waffles, but you live across the country, you can now order it on UberEats.com. Whether you want to send dad barbecue for an upcoming Father's Day gift or want to celebrate date night with your favorite dish from the Big Apple, it's never been easier for Uber Eats consumers than nationwide shipping. All right, isn't the barbecue gonna be cold by the time it gets there? You can order anything from 15 merchants in New York City, Miami, and Los Angeles. More cities and sellers coming soon. Some of the merchants include Bloodsko's Barbecue and Gotta Have S'more, Los Angeles, Sarhay's Deli, and Waffles and Dingleberries, and Sabor's Market and Doggy Style Arepa Bar in Miami. It's available on the Uber Eats app when you go home and scroll until you see the nationwide shipping option. From there you can just, bro, Uber, why are you doing nationwide shipping? What's the whole deal with this? I don't get it. Okay, just work on your main app. Your main app sucks. Drivers don't get paid enough, and riders are getting charged out the wazoo. And it's like, they're gonna, oh yeah, we'll just charge how about we just charge the passenger 50 bucks, then pay the driver $4, and yeah, we'll just use the money in between to go start a nationwide shipping company. Sounds like a horrible idea to me. And you know why? Probably because I'm right. Uber stock's down. What is Uber stock at today? Yesterday was at $23. Uber stock is at $23.72. It even went down even more today. Did it even hit 22? Oh my gosh. All right, guys, that's the update with Uber Eats. Let me know, will you be ordering nationwide shipping? Or do you think it's gonna replace Uber Eats drivers and they're just gonna ship via drone and airplane? I don't know, guys. Thanks for watching. Check out Buckle Up Car Insurance down below if you'd like. Get that free 20 bucks for signing up for a free quote, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.